Hi everybody, it's Annika from Coral Sea Property Services here. Today I'm at 129 Havenside Drive and I'm going to be taking you through a 3D walkthrough tour of this property. As you enter the property on the right hand side, we have a study nook area. And heading down the hallway, we have the laundry. And this also opens up from the garage. Heading down now into the main area, we have the kitchen. As you can see, it is a very spacious kitchen, lots of cupboards and drawers, and it also has a butler's pantry. Here we have the main living, lounge and dining area. Heading through to the main bedroom here, as you can see, the bedrooms are air conditioned and they do have built-in wardrobes as well. And this main bedroom also has an ensuite. Additionally, it opens up to the outside patio area. Through now to another bedroom. And the third bedroom of the property. Very similar again, built-in wardrobes and air conditioned. Through to the main bathroom here. It has the bathtub as well as a shower and the toilet separate. And as I was saying before, there is an outdoor patio which is undercovered and shaded. And the backyard area as well. That is it for this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property at 129 Havenside Drive in Garbutt. Thank you.